guys, welcome to this new video. My name is Eric Patterson. Today I'm going to show you how to install Git on an Ubuntu virtual machines. So I will show you how to properly install Git on Ubuntu virtual machine. Without further delay, let's go ahead and jump into our terminal. So let's go into the terminal, but before we go to the terminal, we have to find out how to install Git. If I go on Google, type how to install Git in Ubuntu, I can go to the Git documentation here. So that's a Git website here. I can click there. Then it will take me to the documentation into how to install Git. It will show you all the steps here into how you can go ahead and install Git. So Ubuntu is Linux, so it will show you here the only thing you need to do for Linux, and it would say that, for example, we know that Ubuntu is app, so we can get this app install git -- all. So I will go ahead and copy this command. I will go back to my terminal here. I just want to show you that actually it is an Ubuntu machine. So I will say cat etc release. So we are actually using Ubuntu. It's an Ubuntu machine and it's Ubuntu 22.04. So to install any software on any virtual machine, the best practice is to always go ahead and update that. So I will say sudo app update. So always update the system before you install any package. It has been updated. I can go ahead and paste my commands, sudo app install git -- all. I will hit enter. Just accept. It's going to take about 1 minute or 1 minute 30 seconds to be complete, because we are not only installing Git, but we are installing Git with everything that comes with that. It's about to get done. Good. Now, if I type Git, you will see that Git has been installed. If I also say if I also type the command which Git, it will tell me that Git is actually installed in user bin Git. So that is how you install Git. The proper way to install Git is not to do app install Git, but is to do app install Git -all, so that you install everything on Git. So that's the proper way to install Git. And also, if you want to install any tool, always make sure that you go to the documentation of that tool that will give you the proper way to install that tool. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.